Now it's gone.
Okay. Hello, everybody. It's Purple Haze here,
And then we'll point them that way.
we found some lightsabers at. We live next to an Indian reservation, and we found some lightsabers at the res for Labor Day, I suppose. So we're gonna light these and film our reactions, review it, see how it goes. It's been a while. Last time you saw us with fireworks was that big gun we had. So we're gonna see how it goes. He got the red, I got the blue, because I like Anakin and he likes, Darth Maul. So, let's see how it goes. All right, let's
Put them together.
we'll probably gotta face the other way.
Point it that way, that way, that way.
Oh shit!
Keep holding it.
Holy shit! Yo, the grass is on fire! Brent, stop! Woo! Holy shit! Holy
You didn't have to yell it.
No, I'm glad he did. Holy shit. Yo, we gotta recheck that. That shit was awesome.
That shit was cool.
Oh, dude. I guess the red did last longer. Okay.
Ah! Dark side always wins.
Holy shit. Wait again. If you can't respect us,
Respect the haze.
that's right. Holy shit.